You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French. In French, this is a word that means a trap. Someone tricked you into a trap. For example, this is what this means. This refers to a trap. Get. Yes, for once the T is not silent there, because it is followed by a word starting with a vowel, with an A. So guet-apens. Guet-apens. You could essentially ignore the hyphen in the middle. Guet-apens. The S is silent at the end. Guet-apens. Un guet-apens. French pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.